So this is a kitchen cabinet.
Beautiful.
So we have two ovens there, and the rest of it is a black charred wood with a indone. What was it? Keep forgetting the name of it for some reason.
You know, I was thinking overcooking.
If it was overcooked, it'd be on fire.
I mean, it is. It looks like
Fair enough.
lava.
Yes,
Slightly overcooked.
just slightly overcooked. Yeah, just a bit. But so in this case, we have charred wood, and in the middle of every one of these doors, we have a I keep forgetting the name of it for some reason.
The lava.
Yeah, but what was it called? What do you make it with?
Ah, the Lichtenberg.
Yeah, Lichtenberg. I keep forgetting it. So yeah, made with Lichtenberg figures again. You might notice a pattern. We do love them because they do look beautiful, and you can make some crazy designs out of them.
Yeah, no, because it's a natural thing. It's random.
Yes.
None of them can be replicated.
Yes, and this is something that this company stands for is naturality.
Yeah.
We try to make things natural or look natural. If you look at our other pieces of art, which you should see pictures on Gaia's work, the website, you see how they're either made from wood from outdoors. You won't see planks, pre-processed planks, like the mirror over there.
Yeah.
We tried to make it.
Branches, yeah.
Yes, our branches.
Oak tree branches. Yeah.
Yes, from outside.
Mm.
And we cleaned them because they were a bit rotten, which is what we wanted. And we made them look nice. And they do look absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. Although, if you, for example, if we would have a proper dry and cut branches, it would have been a lot more easier to.
But it wouldn't look as nice. Because at least the rot.
patterns.
Yeah, see, the wood rotting away gives this random pattern, gives it this texture to it.
Yeah, sure.
Makes it very nice.
It's a whole difference. And
be
being in the rain, the branches being so long in the rain, they will last a lot longer time.
Oh, yes.
Humidity.
I was also going to say, so in this case, like you can see, up there, the copper handles. We can make them out of a lot of things. We don't have to make them just out of copper plated things.
Can be from epoxy
You
too.
can make them different designs, different. Because I noticed this pattern of handles. I saw all over the place. It's actually kind of annoying. I keep seeing it all over the place.
Or we can do the ropes, from that we have.
Manila ropes. Yeah.
Manila ropes, yeah.
Yeah, you can see there's a coat hanger which has them.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, basically, like again, we can even do cabinet doors. We can do the entire kitchen. So in this case, you can see we can make this. We won't shy away from it.
No.
The reason we haven't actually made this is because